Farmers Insurance Discounts. How to save on your policy. Farmers Insurance offers a variety of discounts to help policyholders save on auto and home insurance. These discounts are based on factors like driving history, bundling policies, home safety features, and payment methods. 1. Auto insurance discounts. Multi-policy discount. Save when you bundle auto and home, renters, or life insurance with Farmers. Good Driver. Discount available for drivers with a clean driving record for at least 3 years. Signal Telematics Discount. Earn discounts by using Farmers Signal app to track safe driving habits. Multi-car discount. Get savings by insuring multiple vehicles on the same policy. Homeowner discount. If you own a home, even if it's not insured with Farmers, you may qualify for a discount. Pay in full discount. Lower your rate by paying your policy premium upfront instead of monthly. Good student discount. Available for students under 25 who maintain a B average or higher. Distant student discount. If a student is away at college and not driving regularly, you may qualify for savings. Anti-theft discount. Vehicles equipped with alarms, tracking devices, or immobilizers may qualify. Hybrid electric vehicle. Discount. Some states offer a discount for driving a fuel-efficient vehicle. 2. Home insurance discounts. Home security system. Discount. Homes with monitored burglar and fire alarms, smart locks, and surveillance systems qualify for savings. New home discount. Newer homes, typically less than 10 years old, may receive lower insurance rates. Non-smoker discount. Homes where no one smokes may be eligible for additional savings. Roofing discount. If your home has a newer impact-resistant roof, you may qualify for lower rates. Claim-free discount. Homeowners who haven't filed a claim for several years can receive a discount. Green home discount. Some states offer savings for homes that are energy efficient or environmentally friendly. 3. How to maximize your discounts. Step 1. Review your policy and ask your Farmers agent about eligible discounts. Step 2. Enroll in Signal to earn telematics-based auto insurance savings. Step 3. Install home security systems or smart devices for additional discounts. Step 4. Bundle home and auto insurance to maximize multi-policy savings. Step 5. Pay your policy in full instead of monthly to qualify for pay-in-full savings. To see if you're paying too much for insurance, click on the link in the description below.